This is a 2008 Lincoln Navigator. It has a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all new tires. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, a power moonroof, cool driver and passenger seats, a 14-speaker audio system, big 18-inch wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, a steering wheel with memory settings, a power rear liftgate, rear audio controls, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Five Star Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 6618 Northeast Loop 820 at Roof Snow in North Richland Hills.